In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Freshbooks, a popular and user-friendly accounting software that can greatly benefit your business by streamlining your financial operations. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process so you can start utilizing this efficient tool. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Freshbooks sign-up page. This is where the journey starts. You can do this by simply opening your web browser and typing in the Freshbooks website address or searching for it through your preferred search engine. Once there, you'll be directed to the sign-up page, which is designed to make the registration process smooth and straightforward. The next step you'll encounter is choosing how you'd like to sign up. Freshbooks offers flexibility by allowing you to sign up using your email and password, or you can opt for even quicker sign-up methods by using Sign Up with Google or Sign Up with Apple. If you're someone who values convenience and already uses Google or Apple for other services, these options could save you time and integrate your account seamlessly. After selecting your preferred method, you'll be prompted to enter some essential information. This will typically include details like your name and business name, so Freshbooks can tailor its services to your specific needs. Providing accurate information here ensures that you're set up correctly right from the start and that your Freshbooks experience is personalized for your business requirements. Once you've entered the required details, the next crucial step is verifying your email. Freshbooks will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Be sure to keep an eye on your inbox, and don't forget to check those pesky spam or promotions folders just in case the email lands there. Entering this code is vital as it confirms your identity and ensures that your account is securely set up. Now that you've completed all these steps, you should have successfully signed up for Freshbooks. This initial setup is foundational and opens up the full suite of features Freshbooks offers. Whether you're managing invoices, tracking expenses, or dealing with various financial tasks, this tool is designed to make things more manageable and organized for you. If at any point you encounter issues or have questions during the sign-up process, Freshbooks' customer support is there to help. Don't hesitate to reach out to them. Remember, the goal here is to simplify your business finances, making it easier to focus on what's truly important, running your business successfully. Happy accounting with Freshbooks.